Good morning, teacher. I hope you are doing well. My name is Alexis, and today I am going to talk about my everyday routine. I work as a talent recruiter in the Human Resources department. I work 8 hours every day. Usually, I get up early and go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I start work at 9 o'clock and finish my work day at 6 o'clock in the evening. After work, I usually have dinner with my family, and then I study English for a while because I like learning new things. On Saturdays, I usually relax, listen to music, play video games, and go out with my girlfriend. Sometimes I also watch movies or TV series. On Sundays, I usually spend time with my family, relax, and get ready for a new work week. That's is my everyday routine. Thank you very much for your time and for watching my video. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.